Thought and Notions. Unit 3, Lesson 3, Chocolate. We think of chocolate as something sweet. However, a long time ago, people thought of chocolate as something very bitter. For us, chocolate is a candy, but once it was a medicine. Today, chocolate can be a hot drink, a frozen dessert, or just a snack. Sometimes it's an ingredient in the main course of a meal. Mexicans make a hot chocolate sauce called mole and put it over chicken. The Mexicans also eat chocolate with spices like chili peppers. Chocolate is a product of the tropical cacao tree. Cacao beans taste so bitter that even monkeys say ugh and run away. The word chocolate comes from a Mayan word. The Mayas were an ancient people who once lived in Mexico. They valued the cacao tree. Some of the Mayas used cacao beans for money, while others ground them to make a bitter drink. When the Spaniards came to Mexico in the 16th century, they started drinking cacao too. Because the drink was strong and bitter, they thought it was a medicine. When the Spaniards took the drink back to Europe, people discovered that sugar removed the bitter taste of cacao. Wealthy Spaniards heated the sweet drink and thought that it was good for their health. In the 19th century, an English company made the first solid block of sweetened chocolate. Now people could both drink and eat chocolate. Later, a Swiss company mixed milk and chocolate together. People liked the taste of milk chocolate even better. Besides the chocolate candy bar, one of the most popular American snacks is the chocolate chip cookie. Favorite desserts are chocolate cream pie and, of course, an ice cream sundae with hot fudge sauce.